This is Little Kids Batch, and the song we selected to do is Let It Go from movie Frozen. Okay? So it starts like this. This is the first small musical piece which we are leaving. After that, okay, we start with the right hand side. Okay, so legs wide, toes facing 45. You point with your right hand index finger to the right toe. Then you point with your left hand index finger, keeping this hand here itself, to your left toe. Okay. Then you take your right hand out. You're bended. Okay. Your legs are not bent, but you're bent from the waist. You keep your right hand straight up at the shoulder level, not behind, not front, in line with your shoulder. Take your right hand, left hand. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. From here, you take a half up down. So your hands will go down and your body will come up, but your hands won't go down completely. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. From here, 6, 7. Join. Okay. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your hands are touching your thighs at this point of time. Then you take your right leg in, join. Okay. Right hand out at somewhere in the waist level, hand straight, and then you look at your right hand as if you're doing some magic and fingers rolling around. Okay. After this, the song starts. So again, your right leg goes out, left hand is at the bottom, right hand on the top. Okay, so you cross your hands. Here also, here basically the lyrics of the song start. So, what are the lyrics?
The snow glows white on the mountain.
So the snow glows white on the mountain. So the snow glows white on the mountain tonight. So you took your right leg wide apart, right hand on the top, hands crossed. You squat down, only knees bend, you don't bend. Squat down, showing magic once, squat down 2, squat down 1, squat down 2. Your right hand goes up, then your left hand goes up, fingers straight, making a mountain. Then you slip towards your right. Okay? After that, you take your right hand in front of your face, left hand in front of your face, jump, legs joint. Okay? Then you show your eyes, 3 fingers joined, 2 fingers wide open. First the other way, the back fist towards the audience, then the front fist towards the audience. So 1, 2, again do magic, hands on the side. Okay? After that, what's the name?
Kingdom of Isolation.
Okay. So after this step, you show the kingdom at the same position. Your palm facing up to the sky. So the kingdom of ISO. Right hand in front. Your right hand in, your left leg comes in front. Okay. So the kingdom of isolation. So isolation, in isolation you cut half, and on the music you again do magic. So isolation, and then there's a long music, so you do this, again do magic. Okay. After that, what's the line?
The storm is all.
Queen.
Okay, the queen.
Okay.
Is, and look, it looks like I'm the queen.
The kingdom of isolation. After that, you take your left hand, place in front of your stomach, bending at your elbow, place your right hand, and this is the look for the queen. The line something, look for the queen. So
and it looks like I'm the queen.
So you make a telescope. Okay. So left hand goes there, right hand goes there. You bend a little bit down. Okay, and you're looking through the hole. Okay. After that, you make a queen out of it. So I'm looking like a queen. So for that particular step, again you do magic, you dress up. In London Thumagda, you dressed up like this. In this, you dress up like this. Okay, again showing the magic. Because your hands are connected to your body and they're only back opening from the elbow. So you do the magic and quickly wear a crown. This time the crown is all fingers together and just keeping it up straight. Okay, so you have to improve the level of dancing here. So let's have body control. So wear the crown. Once you wear the crown, then the step is the wind.
The
wind
wind
one.
is
Okay,
falling.
you take your left leg back, go up on your toes. First, feel the wind. Okay, from here, you take your left leg back, go up on your toes. First, you feel the wind on the right hand side. Okay, then you feel the wind on the left hand side. Still, you are on toes. You drop down. Again, you go back on toes. Feel the wind together, and then come close. Squat down position. From there, you turn the swirling. There's a word called swirl, and that particular word, so to swirl, look in front. Then there is the hair combing technique. Okay, so that's not basically hair combing, but just to make these kids understand. So from here, okay, you come up a little bit, okay, but you do a hand action as if you're combing your hair. Okay, so this is a dolphin. You do so. You go up one. So you do 1, 2. Okay, and then again you release something out of your hand. That's it.